Hey everyone, this is Harry from MingTai. Today I'm introducing the luxury oven for 5-star hotels. We have the smart control panel. The temperature deviation of the panel is within 2 degrees. Here's a power button, the light button, the independent top and bottom temperature control. We have the timer and the steam button. For the luxury oven, we have an independent steamer pack. This thing produces vapor into the chamber. From the inside, we have the custom ceiling. We have a high temperature bulb cover. And we have the stainless steel heating tubes. And we have a food grade aluminum chamber. And we have a bigger exhaust for this oven. This oven has a big window. It's made of tempered glass and high temperature glass, which provides good visibility. A durable underframe, and the wheels has brakes. The heavy duty wheels.